Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the Odoo 19 features that you need to know. So first, let's get into the website, and here we're going to build a new website. Let's move on to new, and let me click on page where you can provide or create a new page by choosing the blank page. And I would like to set as Odoo demo over here, and let me click on create. And if I just want to publish this, I can just do it. And currently this is in the mobile view, and you can see that we can change the mobile view from here upon clicking over here. And if you just want to publish this, you can just enable the toggle button so that currently this has been published. So first, we are just going to discuss about the new building block. So in order to manage with the new building block, you can click on edit, and you can find different building blocks over here. I would like to choose the catalog over here, and you can find that we have different catalogs over here. So let me choose one of the catalog, and you would be able to see the catalog that we have been added into our page. So you can find the new UI that's been added with the building block. And if you just want to just manage with the website design options, you can also just do that with the scrolling carousels and all. So upon moving over here, you can see that upon choosing the catalog itself, you can just do it, or you can just move on to the intro and search for carousel over here. So I would like to search for carousel. So let me just search carousel over here. As I just search for carousel, I'll be getting different types of carousels, and let me add the carousel. So upon just placing your mouse or hovering the mouse on the carousels, you will be getting the designs of each of the carousels, and you can see how this works. So you can see that there is a new website design option in the carousel, and you can simply add it. And here you can see all these are just sliding, and you can just manage with it. And let me add it. So here you can see that we can just simply add the new designs of carousel into the web, and we can also find that we have the updated UI for inserting new blocks. So if you just want to add it, you can just add each of the blocks over here. By simply clicking over here, you can say we can just add the updated UI by inserting the new blocks. And we can also just manage with the customization of the login, sign up, and the password reset. So if you just want to manage with all those, you can just move to the contacts and forms. Here you would be able to see everything, and here you can find all the new available forms and designs that can be added. So here you can see upon choosing the parallax, you can just add it over there. And you can find, I would like to add this into our blog, and I'll be adding it over here. And we can also just find the improved mobile view. So once I have been added all these blocks into my page, you can see that I can also get a simple and effortless and improved mobile view, and I'll be choosing it. So here you can see the mobile view is showing exactly with the pages that we are just going, and it is very attractive. Even after using the mobile view, the design is not changed over here. You can easily find it by just scrolling, and you can see that it's the miniature version of the website as we are just viewing it in the mobile view. Now let's move on to setting up of the layout for a new shop. For that, you can just consider the website itself. Friendly, head into the shop, and upon moving on to the edit button, you can see that we can just manage the layout of the shops. Upon moving on to the style, here you would be able to find the thumbnail, the size, and everything. So if you just want to increase more over here, you can just set it, and you can see that we can just add the categories as side as well as the top. So if I'm just removing the sidebar, you can see it will be removed. And if I just want to set it as only top, I can just do it. And I can also set the styles over here. Now let me change the styles from here to the other one. So you can find the changes that is taking place in the layout. You can also just go ahead with the other features. And upon moving on to the theme, also you can see you can switch between the themes, the font sizes, the headings, and everything. Now you can also just manage with the product comparison on the mobile view. That's the other feature that might have missed in the Odoo 19. So upon moving on to the product, I mean the mobile view, here you can see that we have different products. Let me consider the product conference day. So as I just move on to the product over here, you can see that we can easily manage the product comparison over here. So I'll be just moving with the product with adding of it into the comparison. Now let's move on to the comparison, and you can see that we can easily find it over here. Now we can also just manage the packaging options on the product page. So let's back to the product. So you just need to ensure that you have installed or enabled the units of measurement, and once it's 10 you can just manage with the product. So upon moving on to the cable management box, you can see that we have the units and unit of package. So if you just want to see how this is setting, you can just move on to the e-commerce and choose the products over here. And let me consider the product cable management box, and under the purchase you just need to designate different units over here. uh, and under the sales also we have to set the packages. Okay, so as we just set the packages over here, this will be visible in the website. Now we can also just manage the quick reordering through the portal page. Let's imagine I have purchased the iron cable management box, so let's view it and let's pay with demo, and I'll be making the payment. So once it's done, upon moving on to the account of the Michelle admin, that's the portal view of the Michelle admin. Currently you can see that without enabling any features such as order again, we can just manage the reordering from the customer portal. So we know in previous versions actually we had a separate feature to manage with the reordering from the customer portal. In Odoo 19 we don't need to manage any particular feature, we can do quick reordering. So if you just want to manage with quick reordering again, you can just add it over here and you can just manage the quick reordering of the items here. Now you can also just manage with the customer address. So currently you can see that we have a few items in the cart. Now let's move with checkout, and as we just try to just go with the checkout process, we can just confirm this. Okay, so I'm going to confirm the item. I have to just fill out the details over here. Now let me confirm it. So yeah, let me set the number and let's confirm it. And here you can see that we have different address. So we have the address management, like if the delivery address and the billing address is same, we can just enable this. If not, we can just go ahead and choose the address that we just want to use for billing, and we can just go ahead with confirmation. And now let me make the payment over here. And now you can also just get the improved SEOs. So if you just want to just manage with it, move on to the sites and use the optimized SEO. Here you can provide the title as shop and describe demo shop, and if you just want to upload any particular image, you can just upload or apply any the images over here with the URL. So let's move on to the downloads, and let me get a few image over here, which is a chair. And if you just want to add any particular keyword, you can just add it. So let me add it, and here let's click on generate, and you can see it's been added over here. And if you just want to save all these by using the optimized SEO or improved SEO, we can just go ahead with it. Now you can also see that we have the integration with the Google Merchant Center. So upon moving on to the configuration settings, you can also just manage with the Google Merchant Center. So as you just drag down, you can see that you can connect your e-commerce through a product file, and you can just manage the feeds and everything. And you can also find that we have new payment providers. So upon moving on to the payment providers, you can find that we have the Amazon payment services, that's the Amazon payment providers, and the Stripes, as well as the SEPA direct debit mandate integration with this Stripes and everything. So these are some of the features that you can miss out in the Odoo 19 of the e-commerce module. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.